What's up, guys? So today I'm going to show you a way to leverage a special feature within ChatGPT to create personalized business emails that can boost your chances of connecting with high-value clients. Whether you're an entrepreneur, consultant, or an agency owner, this video is going to walk you through the steps to automate and customize your outreach emails and connect with prospects. So, big question, right? Why bother to even learn this? I'm going to give you a simple answer. It is going to save you so much time. In this world, the most finite and scarce resource is time. We want to do things that minimize the tedious tasks that we would get stuck with. We want to make sure that for tasks like that, we're putting minimal effort in. Right? We want to use that energy, and I'm not saying that we should find shortcuts all over in life, right? And same for tasks like this that are just mind-numbing and time-consuming and things that you can find a more efficient way to do it, right? We want to make sure that we're exerting minimal effort possible and getting maximum value for our time. All right, so let's talk about ChatGPT and this vision feature that it has, right? So with vision, we can upload documents, images, links, and even PDFs, which ChatGPT then reads and analyzes. This AI can help you generate highly personalized emails by scraping relevant data directly from your target's public content, right? So we can go into social media pages or YouTube pages and analyze videos, and we're gonna be able to pull out all of that good content. This is a huge time saver, and it's going to allow you to deliver personalized content without spending hours researching each contact. All right, so let's get to it. So the first thing we want to do is we want to get our list ready here. So, all right, so we want to get the list, right? All right, so the first thing that we want to do is we want to go ahead and create a Google Sheets document. So we're going to go ahead and add a list of potential clients that we want to connect with. So here, just because, I'm not going to use my actual LinkedIn clients for my agency, I went ahead and put some well-known business entrepreneurs, right? Just to show you how the tool works. So what we're going to do with this workflow is we're going to go in, we're going to analyze the profiles, and then we're going to have ChatGPT write a personalized email on the content within each of these profiles. So once we found the target list here, what we're going to do is create a PDF. So you're going to click on File, Download, and we're going to go ahead and click on PDF. Right, so I'm just using LinkedIn profiles as an example here, but you can also use other things, like you can analyze websites or other relevant links that ChatGPT can go in and analyze for you to customize insights. All right, so the next thing that we want to do is we want to use ChatGPT to generate the personalized emails, and we want to use the GPT vision feature here. So we want to make sure that we put our information in, like our background. So we want to make sure that we're putting our business information in, right? So I'm prompting it to introduce my agency, right, by name and what exactly I have to offer and what exactly I do, right? So Prime Solutions, I do voice agents, automations, lead gen, and I help businesses scale. Then I put some more information on how I want the tone of the email to be, and then I give it a quick example of exactly what I want it to look like. So once I've done that, I'm gonna go ahead and take that PDF with all the links that I created earlier, and I'm gonna drop it in here, and I'm gonna go ahead and hit submit, right? Look how crazy it is, right? It gave a compliment, right? It said it did exactly what I asked it to do. Then a little bit about me. I run Prime Solutions. Right here, I'd love to explore how we can support your work in helping businesses scale. Boom. So imagine how useful this will be if you're trying to mass produce these emails, right? And you want to make sure that each email has that custom touch. I mean, it's awesome. People open their emails, they're going to kind of see the first line in it, and they're going to be like, oh, wow, it's going to capture their attention, thus increasing the odds of them actually responding to your email or to whatever call to action you have within the email. All right, so the last thing that I wanted to talk about was the ability to expand your social media outreach. So if you want to reach out on other platforms, right, ChatGPT can actually help you do that too. We're going to go ahead and write this prompt. I would like all social media links associated with the links within this PDF. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to get that links PDF again. I'm going to drop it in there, and I'm going to go ahead and search. And what it's doing is it's going to go ahead and pull up all social media for each individual person in this lead list, right? So how cool is this? So with these social media links at hand, you can message each prospect with the personalized content ChatGPT created, right? This is going to make your outreach more engaging and more targeted. All right, so this approach is going to allow you to generate personalized, high-quality outreach at scale, whether it's for emails or social media. So the vision feature with ChatGPT is a game changer, simplifying what used to be a time-consuming process into something you can accomplish within minutes. So if you found this video helpful, go ahead and like and subscribe. As long as people are interested, I'll keep posting more videos. I love teaching people what is possible in the world of AI and what free tools are available to us. Also, I started a new school community where I teach people how to build automations and monetize them for extra value. It's free, the link's below. Finally, if you wanted the same prompt that I used for the email in this video, go ahead and write prompt in the comment section below and I'll DM that to you right away. Thank you, and I will see you at the next video.